Okay guys, so here's a video on how to change the air filter on a Freightliner. This is a 2016 Freightliner Cascadia with a Detroit DD15 engine. It's very simple. Today we have a problem. We've gotten the little bees wings from hauling grain into that filter. So it's pretty common on this truck with where the air intake is that we do plug up. So there are two screws right here and here that need to be removed. So use a large number 3 Phillips screwdriver to remove those screws, and you remove the housing. So once I get those out, I'll continue the video. All right, so now I've taken those two screws out. They were up there. This pulls away and then slides forward. These little tabs here, you pull the filter, which this one has been disintegrated a little bit. So normally we can blow these out, and you just pull this filter out like this. And you can see our problem with our air intake. There's quite a bit of debris and stuff in here. So anyways, so that's just kind of where it's at. So anyways, I'm going to replace this with a new filter, and we'll go from there. All right, so I've now got a new filter in them. The color of the element doesn't really matter, but just be aware, down here there are two tabs that hook into this here. So when you put this on here, you'll want to slide this past and then hook it up. And I'm not going to be able to do this with one hand and record, but you get the idea. All right, so the new filter is installed. Make sure that that seam, goes all the way there. If it starts to spread in the back, you probably don't have it hooked on the back. Now this truck had derated because of that, so now we will continue into using the diagnostic port scanner and clear the engine code so it gets off its derate. All right, so we're back in the cab, underneath the cab, and I've got my cheap little scanner tool, which is just good enough to do this. There's a port underneath the dash right here. Match up the end. There's two ends on this scanner. Match it up and get it connected. I've now got it connected, and as soon as it's connected, the display shows up. Says that it's in batteries in good status and whichever. So we're going to go ahead and start the truck. Then we're going to push OK to continue diagnosis. We're going to say that I think this HD OBD. So you scroll over, push that. Push the 16 pin. Is what it is. Engine. Read dealer trouble codes.